Hi, I'm Tiffany Perry, and in this video, I'm going to share with you organization ideas for your desktop computer. If you are constantly working on your computer all day long, you're going to want to watch this video so that you can make sure that you are maximizing your productivity with this organization idea. So as an entrepreneur, I am finding myself working on so many different tasks throughout the day, which has actually created a mess of folders all over my desktop. So I'm going to share with you how you can organize those folders so that you can make work a lot more efficient. So creating a desktop background for your organization will make a world of difference for you. So here in Canva, I am actually creating a new desktop background picture for myself. As you see, I've just created something very basic and simple. You can put in you can put in a grid, you can put in any kind of pictures, however you want to do it. There's a world of options in Canva. You can be in here all day, or at least I know I could. So this is just one thing that I have created. Once I've created it, all you have to do is just click download, and then you have it in your computer, and then you can put it into your background. So here's another example of how you can create a new desktop background picture for yourself, for your organization. I am in PowerPoint, and you can just play around and add new graphs and new charts, however you want to do it. As you see, I just did something basic and simple here. Once you get what you feel that you would like on your background, I just did a simple screenshot so that I could save that picture. So once you've chosen the type of background picture that you want, you've either created in Canva or PowerPoint, you'll just simply go to Settings, Personalization, and I've already added my pictures in. So let me go ahead and choose one, and I'll show you what it looks like. So as you can see, it's pretty clean and simple. Obviously, I have way more files on my computer desktop than this. I haven't transferred them all over. But once I do, I can have them all in different rows because it makes it so much cleaner and neater so that I can see where everything is. Here's the example of the other one that I created in Canva. Like I said, as you can see, it's pretty simple and clean and sleek now. I actually like this one a little bit better because I have grids that I can put my files in different grids. I can change and put some different text and font in each grid, and I can name those grids if I want to. However you want to do it and organize yourself, it just keeps everything clean and put right there in different areas that you need them to be. So this was just a quick organization idea to really help manage your productivity. However you choose to do it, PowerPoint, Canva, you will really find that it makes a world of difference in organizing your desktop. If this was helpful for you, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.